Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to see yet another very important problem which is basically of a linked list. So what the problem statement is that given a linked list you need to delete the middle node. So in case of odd number of elements in the linked list, the middle node is pretty straightforward, right? This will be 3. But in case of even number of nodes, these are 2 middle nodes, right? But you will have to delete the next middle node, that is 3. For example, these are 2, so the next the later one. So this is the problem statement. Now this becomes interesting because linked list we can traverse it only once. So how will you identify whether a node is a middle node or not, and once you have identified, how will you delete it? So for that we use something called as a slow pointer and a fast pointer. So don't get overwhelmed by these fancy terms. I'll just in a couple of minutes you will just know what the fast and slow pointers are. So if you are not familiar with linked list, just go and brush up a bit and come back. Now let's just see. We'll have 2 pointers, S, which will point to the head, and F, which will also point to the head. So initially, okay, let's just do it first for the odd number of nodes. Let's just say that okay, let me just take some other color. Let's just say that our F is also here at the start and our slow is also here. So we are just denoting it by name. The slow pointer will move only once in one iteration, and the fast pointer will move twice in one go. So what we'll do is, initially these are here. In the first instance, our slow pointer will come here because it is moving just one distance, and our fast pointer will come here. So it will just skip a node and come there. Then again what will happen is our slow pointer will come here and our fast pointer will skip a node and come here. Okay, and then we will obviously have boundary condition in case the fast pointer cannot move ahead. So fast pointer cannot move ahead in 2 conditions: either the next node is null or the next of next is null. That we'll see in the even node. So now it cannot move further because there is no node after this, and our while loop will end. So we will have this condition in a while loop where we'll move slow pointer by 1 place and fast pointer by 2 places, right? So once you have done that, now what is the advantage of doing that? You remember, you see that we are moving fast pointer twice. So when this loop will end, our slow pointer will actually be pointing to the middle node. So here, this is the node that we wanted to delete. Now deleting this node is pretty simple. I have also made a separate video of how you can delete a particular node in a linked list without knowing the head pointer. So here I am just quickly going to show you how you can do that, but if you want to see that in detail, I'll link that question in the description. So now you are here, right? So what we'll do is we will simply copy the next data here. So here this will be remaining 4, this will become 4, and we'll point this next to next of next. So in this case it will just become this, and this particular node will be deleted. So now because we have copied it here, the actual node that will be deleted will be 3, like the data wise. So this is in case of odd numbers. Let's just quickly see the same happening in case of even number. Okay, even number of nodes. So slow is here, fast is here. In the first iteration our slow will be here and fast will be here because it has skipped, right? In the next iteration what will happen is slow will come here and fast will become null. Okay, so in this case this is allowed because it can become null. So now what will happen is, again we have found the condition, we wanted to delete this node. So same thing we will do here. We'll copy this 4 and we'll point this to null, right? So this is how it is done. Now let's just see of one of the boundary conditions that can happen, right? So let's just quickly discuss it, how the boundary condition will happen. Let's just go, yeah. So let's just say only we have 2 nodes, 1 and 2, right? And we have 2 pointers, slow here and fast here. So in the first iteration, and this will be null, right? So in the first iteration what will happen is slow will come out to be here and fast will come out to be here, and we cannot move any further. So basically we want to delete the second node. So this is a special case because this is the last node that we wanted to delete. If you remember that in the above examples, what we were doing is whatever the data the next node is having, we were copying it here and then pointing this node to the next. But what we will do here, because the next node is actually null. So this is the boundary condition that we need to take care of. So in this case, what we can simply do is, so this low is what we wanted to delete. So we will just check that whether if this next is becoming null, and in that case we can simply handle it. So what we can do is, so whenever this case happens, that means we have only two nodes. So what we can do is, head was here, so we can simply do head dot next is equal to null and return head. So this is the only case which is a boundary condition. Rest everything will be covered by here. So let's just quickly go to the code and see how it is done. Let me open the game. Yeah, so we are here. I'll also link the this question in the description so you can try it yourself. So here we are given a function and we need to complete this function. So we are given a head node. So what we have done is we have declared two pointers, slow and fast, which will initially point to null. Now we will have a while loop, and what was the condition? Either the fast should not be null or fast of next should not be null. So we'll run till them and we'll just simply move the slow and fast pointer. So slow will become next and fast will become next of next, because we are skipping a node. So just remember this condition. We are running till we can move forward, till there is a valid node to which fast can point to, right? So then after this node, whatever the slow pointer will be pointing to, we have to delete that, right? So first of all, we'll check for the boundary condition. Remember I told you about the two nodes condition where our slow of next is actually null. So if that is the case, we know that there are only two nodes. So what we'll do is we'll point the head of next to null and then return the head. After that, what we'll do is we'll just simply do these two-line codes of deleting a particular node. So this is also, I have also made a video separately of deleting a node. I'll link that down. If you don't understand it here, just go and watch, because I have explained it really well there. So what we are going to do is we'll just simply copy the data of the next node to the particular node. So slow.data becomes slow.next.data, and then we have to skip the next node. So we'll do a slow.next is equal to slow.next.next, and then we'll simply return the head. So this is the code. I'll also put this code somewhere, and for your convenience to see it afterwards, but I'll highly recommend to try it out. Now just let's try to submit this code and just see what happens. See, it has passed. So this was a pretty simple problem, but it has been asked in a lot of companies. You can see the topic tags. So practice it well. Thank you. Bye-bye.